Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn how to say what we like and don't like doing. Let's begin. I like dancing. I like singing. I like swimming. I like climbing. I like jogging. I like eating. I like drinking. I don't like reading. I don't like tidying. I don't like washing the dishes. I don't like brushing my teeth. I don't like getting up early for school. I don't like getting dressed. I don't like doing exercises. I don't like studying. Hey, you've learned how to say what you like and don't like doing. What do you like doing? Subscribe to our channel and help our community grow.